Welcome to YouTube, and today we're diving into the world of Scandinavian luxury with the all-new 2026 Volvo S90. A sedan that doesn't just turn heads, it redefines what modern premium driving should feel like. When we think of Volvo, the first words that come to mind are safety, elegance, and understated class. But the new S90 goes beyond just reputation. It's an evolution that brings futuristic technology, breathtaking design, and the kind of comfort that makes every journey feel like first-class travel. The first thing you notice about the 2026 S90 is its bold yet graceful presence. Volvo has always had a unique design language that stands apart from German and American rivals, and this model continues that tradition. The front fascia showcases a sharper, more sculpted look with Volvo's signature Thor's Hammer LED headlights, now slimmer and more dynamic. The grille is wider, carrying the iconic Volvo badge with pride, and the sleek character lines flow seamlessly along the body, giving the sedan a commanding yet refined stance. Every angle is a balance between power and purity, modernity and timelessness. Step inside, and the S90 becomes an entirely different experience. The cabin is pure Scandinavian minimalism at its best, blending natural materials like fine leather, wood veneers, and sustainable textiles with cutting-edge digital displays. The dashboard is dominated by a large, crystal-clear infotainment screen that runs on the latest Google-based operating system, offering seamless integration with Android Auto, Google Maps, and voice-controlled assistant functions. It's intuitive, responsive, and designed to minimize distractions so you can focus on what matters, the drive. Comfort has always been a Volvo strength, and the 2026 S90 elevates it even further. The seats are sculpted to perfection, offering multi-way adjustments, ventilation, heating, and massage functions. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with generous legroom, premium climate control, and optional reclining seats. The cabin is also whisper quiet thanks to advanced insulation and acoustic glass, creating a space where you can hold a conversation in complete serenity or simply enjoy the high fidelity Bowers & Wilkins sound system that transforms your music into a live concert experience. Under the hood, Volvo offers a range of electrified powertrains to suit different drivers. The standard version features a mild hybrid engine that balances performance with efficiency, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel economy. But for those who want cutting-edge power and sustainability, the plug-in hybrid T8 version is the star of the lineup. It combines a turbocharged and supercharged engine with an advanced electric motor, producing impressive horsepower, while offering electric-only range for your daily commutes. Volvo is also preparing fully electric variants, aligning with its ambitious goal to go completely electric in the near future. This makes the S90 not just a car of today, but a car built for the future. When it comes to driving dynamics, the S90 shines in its ability to combine comfort with precision. The adaptive suspension system absorbs bumps effortlessly while still delivering stability at higher speeds. Steering feels responsive yet light, making the sedan easy to maneuver in city streets while remaining confident on the open highway. It's not a sports car, but that's never been the S90's mission. It's about refinement, balance, and making every mile feel effortless. Of course, no Volvo review would be complete without talking about safety. The 2026 S90 comes loaded with the brand's latest suite of driver assistance systems. Features like Pilot Assist provide semi-autonomous driving on highways, while advanced collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring keep you protected in every scenario. Volvo has also introduced next-generation sensors and radar technology to ensure the car is always aware of its surroundings. It's like having an invisible shield around you and your passengers at all times. But what truly sets the new S90 apart is the way it blends luxury with responsibility. Volvo continues to push sustainability at the core of its philosophy, whether it's through eco-friendly materials inside the cabin, efficient powertrains, or reduced emissions. Owning an S90 is not just about driving in style. It's about being part of a brand that believes in a greener, safer future. In the end, the 2026 Volvo S90 is not just a car, it's an experience. It represents Scandinavian sophistication, cutting-edge innovation, and a vision for sustainable luxury. Whether you're behind the wheel enjoying its smooth drive or relaxing in the back seat, surrounded by unmatched comfort, the S90 makes every journey special. It's the kind of car that doesn't need to shout to make a statement. It speaks quietly, confidently, and with purpose. Thank you for joining me today for a closer look at the 2026 Volvo S90. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest cars shaping our future.